Most dog owners don't think twice about what their pets put in their mouths. A favorite toy, a random object on the floor, or even a piece of fabric. Dogs chew on anything they can find. But what happens when something seemingly harmless turns into a serious health risk? Every year, countless dogs end up in emergency vet clinics due to choking hazards, digestive blockages, or exposure to toxic materials, all from objects they were allowed to play with. One of the biggest dangers: small parts and loose materials. Dogs don't just nibble on things, they chew, tear, and swallow. If something breaks apart too easily, those tiny pieces can get stuck in their throat, leading to terrifying choking incidents. Even worse, sharp edges or hard plastic bits can cause internal injuries, leaving pet owners completely unaware until it's too late. Then comes the issue of toxic exposure. Many everyday materials contain harmful dyes, chemicals, or synthetic fibers that weren't designed to be chewed on or digested. While humans have the instinct to avoid dangerous substances, dogs don't. They explore with their mouths, unknowingly consuming materials that could lead to allergic reactions, digestive distress, or long-term health complications. The sad truth? Most pet owners never even suspect the problem until their dog starts showing symptoms. Durability is another major concern. Some objects seem sturdy but fall apart under pressure. A few strong bites, and suddenly sharp or hazardous pieces are scattered across the floor. If not noticed in time, these fragments end up swallowed, leading to dangerous blockages in the intestines. For pet owners, this means unexpected vet bills, surgery risks, and endless worry over their dog's safety. So, how do you ensure your dog stays safe? It starts with choosing the right play items. Some products are specifically designed to withstand aggressive chewing while eliminating common risks. Strong, reinforced materials, non-toxic construction, and a design free from small, breakable parts can make all the difference. Choosing the right option means not only keeping your dog entertained, but also protecting them from hidden dangers that most pet owners don't consider. Want to know which options are truly safe for your dog? Check out the recommended choices in the description below.